That's Peter Gabriel song from the first Peter Gabriel Soulful album, which is still my favorite Peter Gabriel song. I think it's awesome. A lot of people don't agree, but I think it's great. And just for the fact that it has Robert Fripp playing banjo on it alone. But this song also has Robert Fripp on it. Well, the whole album does, but in this more traditional guitar role. But it's the last track on the album. He used to end all his shows with this one too, before Beat Go came. Signals grow on radios. All the strange things, they come and go as early warnings. Stranded starfish have no place to hide. Still waiting for the swollen eastern tide. There's no point direction, we cannot even choose a side. I left my old home, a hollow shoulder across the water. On the tall cliffs, we were getting older, sons and daughters. Jaded underworld was riding high. Waves of steel shoot metal at the sky. And as the nails sunk in the cloud, the rain was warm and soaked the crowd. Lord, here comes the flood. We'll say goodbye to flesh and blood. The seeds so silent in any still alive. It'll be those who gave their islands to survive. Drink up, dreamers, you're running dry. When the flood comes, you have no hope, you have no warmth. In the thunder clash, you're 1,000 miles within a flash. Don't be afraid to cry of what you see. The actor's gone, there's only you and me. Before the dawn, we'll use up what we used to be. Lord, here comes the flood. Here Comes the Flood, from the first solo Peter Gabriel album. Still my favorite. The song's about reincarnation.